What is it? Is it awkwardness or it is the livery launch for 2026 season? Should I call it the Formula 1 or F4 championship in the name of Formula 1? This is Michael Croft from Ernakulam district, and today we have with us a guest.
Woohoo!
We have Anifa with us, and we are thank you for coming to our podcast.
Honey,
First
so
guest
better.
of Drivers to Survive. अच्छा
Yes, come on, yes. Clap. Production
Everybody.
people, clap. Jump.
Everybody.
Okay, all right. Oh, please.
Dance.
Stop taking a somersault. Okay, stop it. But livery launch is there, and a lot of things have happened before the 2026 season, and we don't know. But with me, I have Joylan Raja Govind Menon, and I have the Chawa. Valentine's Day, क्या बात है?
Birthday भी है भाई, उसका birthday.
Birthday also was there. 80,000 का shoes, 80,000 का पूरा. Look at that watch. Look at that watch. घर जाएगा.
What a sex to watch.
Yeah. And we have सर्वसामान्य मनोज जसपर से.
तेरा रैप एल्बम
नमस्कार।
आ रहा है ऐसा लग रहा है अभी एक एल्बम आएगा तेरा।
Purple Haze Studio. Ra. But we'll start with the livery launch.
Yes, we will.
The liveries are very much different from last season, except for one, which is we will talk
We
about
will talk about it. Which one do you want to go for first?
Let's go with Red Bull, I think.
Yeah. Red Bull?
That's the best one for me, so we'll start with Red Bull.
Perfect.
Red Bull, which with what is that? वो glitter वो नहीं अपने glitter देता ना हम लोग स्कूल में लोग glitter देता तो glitter
Red
डाला है.
Bull.
They have glittered it, dude.
Bro, I really love
Honestly,
this.
I love this. Good that they changed it. Dude, finally they changed it. You can't इसमें मजाक मत उड़ा यार शेट्टी।
हाँ,
क्या
यार.
change किया बोल?
क्या
क्या
change
change
किया?
Glossy
Everything is changed.
क्या अंधा है क्या तू?
Glossy blue is back, bro.
It's
तू
the
तेरा
color.
मेटा रे ग्लासेस नहीं पहना ना इसके लिए तेरे को दिख नहीं रहा है।
हाँ।
Sponsor.
This is like the old Tara Rosso.
Dude, this is like the old Red Bull only.
Yeah.
It is a proper
Yeah,
old
from
Red Bull,
Vettel.
yeah. I
मतलब
love
a different
the-
shade of blue, but
No, but yeah, the blue is very nice. And like Max said, he loved the blue.
yeah, see, and
And-
that's all that matters.
Even I
All that
said
matters,
Yeah.
exactly.
Max ने बोल दिया मतलब खत्म.
खत्म।
देख टीम तो मैक्स का ही है
वही
ultimate।
है।
हजार
Max
बोल रहा था अजय को
Verstappen.
धक्का दिया मैंने बोला अरे मैं बोल रहा हूँ यार मैं पानी लेने जा रहा हूँ तू कुछ नहीं बोलेगा
Dude, but you didn't like it, Award. You didn't like this.
see unless and until the car is fast and it can defeat
अब
Norris
लिवरी की बात हो
अबे
रही है ना
livery की बात हो रही है, performance की बात नहीं हो रही है.
डीप होना है क्या हर चीज में पता नहीं है कैसा है
I mean I would give it a good 6 on 10
Firstly,
Six.
in
बात कर रहा है भाई.
in no way 6 is a good.
Yeah.
What says good and then followed
Six
by
is
6
like
Shetty.
compensation. Six is like you're just telling them you're fine.
yeah
That's
Achha,
like,
do you like the previous one better?
The
No,
previous
I
10.
अरे मैं मेरे को पहली बात तो ना कभी रेडबुल का रेडबुल इंडिया ऐसा हम लोग को फ्लैग मत करना बट मुझे कभी भी हमेशा रेडबुल का जो ये है लोगो ये जो लिवरी है मेरे को पसंद नहीं आया बिकॉज मैं वही चीज पी रहा है उसी का बना रहे हो कुछ तो अलग बनाओ
तो अलग ही तो बना है
but it
अभी
looks very different from the drink.
Yeah,
Like there's
yeah.
the yellow and all of that.
इफ द ब्लू के जगह पे ना इट वुड हैव बीन लिटिल जासवंत का कलर लिटिल जासवंत ग्रीन
अभी मेरे को जासवंत गूगल करना पड़ेगा यार.
What is
क्या
a
होता है?
Jaswant?
जासवंत क्या है?
Cool रहता है रे।
जासवंत कड़ी पत्ता ग्रीन रहता था ना तो
तुझे-
मजा आता ऐसा ऐसा
तो वो
No, no,
एस्टन
no.
मार्टिन से
नहीं,
मांग
नहीं,
ना
नहीं,
Red
नहीं,
Bull से
नहीं,
क्या मांग रहा है
नहीं, ऐसा ऊपर
अबे
Norris-
जासवंत बोपन्ना आ रहा है.
It's a flower,
Sounds
no?
like a flower.
तेरे को ये कलर में रेड बुल चाहिए?
पिंक
अबे उन लोग करते हैं
That's
मायामी के लिए करते हैं।
Alpine. It's Alpine.
Yeah.
this is
पूरे
BW.
का-
नहीं नहीं जापान के लिए करते हैं.
हाँ,
White
जापान
and the
में।
मेरे को कैसा चाहिए मालूम है कि ऐसा
Yeah.
रेडबुल का लिवरी है ना बीच रेस पे चेंज होना चाहिए तो ग्रीन हो जाना चाहिए नॉरिस को समझ भी नहीं आया कि एस्टन मार्टिन है कि रेडबुल है
ये हॉट व्हील्स
Hot
जैसे
Wheels
होता है
वाला।
ना.
That'll be very nice.
वो पानी डाल देंगे तो फिर
बट ठीक है गुड अटेम्प्ट आई वुड
Good attempt.
Good attempt.
yeah I would revise my points
Who
from
the fuck are you, dude? Good
I
attempt.
am a person I am a son I am a human being I am a taxpayer okay
So much effort has gone into making this.
No, but-
Every year it's same. They have put so much graft. First of all, it's got so much Botox on it now.
Yeah.
It's fat. Everywhere it's fat, and then there's so much gloss. And then if you actually, we don't have the top view here, but yeah, the top view. If you see the top view, the previous cars they're flat. Like you don't even see the bulls, but the bulls are like it's very different. And and the whites, you didn't have the whites in the previous cars.
8 on 10 बना दिया पॉइंट अरे तू मेरा दृष्टिकोण चेंज कर दिया अनिफा ने थैंक यू
2 मिनट और बात करते हैं 10 और 10 पे आ
That's all it takes.
Also, if you like zoom
मुझे
in,
8 से कोई अभी नहीं
no,
please.
but still, we need to know the fact that if you zoom in, they've got details. Like it's not just plain blue; it's got details in the blue.
वो तो उनके जर्सी में भी आया है. If you
Yeah,
ever
it's in
would
the
have
kit
seen.
as well.
There's like shaded Red Bull
Yeah.
everywhere.
And I feel like
The kit is sad.
तू फैशन
It
स्ट्रीट
is.
फैशन स्ट्रीट से लिया कभी जर्सी उसमें डिटेल
है ना? मैंने लिया.
दोरी वोरी निकल
I mean, you're comparing it to last year, but you're also comparing it to Fashion Street.
I really
Yeah.
liked it because it's a great integration with Ford.
Yeah, with
Ford
Ford.
के लोगों
They did
के
it
साथ वो
nicely.
जाता है.
Exactly. they
Yeah,
didn't-
yeah. Ford
forms a proper triangle
Ford
also in
also
the
rocket
corner.
racing. Yeah, good. Like good. Yeah, 8 on 10.
अभी 10 on 10.
10 on 10.
8 on 10.
10 on 10.
8 on 10.
8.5 दे.
Nine.
चल.
Okay, but like
10.
average.
8.05.
अरे भाई
अरे यार.
shit.
ठीक है, so then tables average is 10.
हाँ.
Tables average is 10.
अच्छा वो भी कर रहेगा. चलो डन. अभी नेक्स्ट.
नहीं सिर्फ शेट्टी
Oh.
रेट करेगा.
हाँ,
Let's do
done.
that.
हाँ.
Ferrari.
Shetty's rating.
Ferrari.
And we have to convince him.
Yeah,
yeah.
dude, Ferrari is very sad. I felt.
Okay, honestly, I
do
did not
There's-
at all like this.
There's
This
a
was
little
bad.
bit too much white
Yeah.
in a car in a team which is supposed to be just red.
पैसा दिया है HP
This is
ने
like
यार.
Shetty sold out, dude. Fully sold out. It's a fully
अपना
sold.
एक कुकर के लिए ईमान बेच दे.
हाँ, dude. Cooker was very like.
He
What
did a
cooker?
stand up.
Not cooker. It wasn't cooker.
No, it was cooker. Stand up.
Prestige or something, na?
Brand integration for a pressure
Silverta.
cooker.
Grinder.
Silverta.
I
Grinder.
mean,
Atom burn.
Even worse. But it's like that. तू अगर प्रेशर कुकर तेरे सर पे रख के चलेगा ना
no, but
वैसे लग रहा है.
HP
So it's like
pays a
vanilla
lot more
strawberry
than
ice cream.
pressure cooker. HP pays them all the money.
That's
Everything.
true. Yeah, it's
तू क्या बोल रहा है?
it's bad.
It's
dude.
like I like this. This is like a vanilla
Of course
strawberry
you
ice
like
cream.
this. Take over.
It's like a dessert because the engine performance reliability is so good that the other teams are going to be like, what a dessert car. What a car it is.
My thing is, no, I feel every year because of HP वो ऐसा white बढ़ते जाता है. थोड़ा करके.
Yeah.
And I think the white will take over like in a
Yeah,
few
it'll be a
years.
white car soon.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, HP. The
HP
team will
Racing.
be,
Not Ferrari, HP
HP Racing. But dude, no, it's. I mean, honestly, the cars looked good throughout the years. Abhi thode, at least recent years mein, and the performance was shit. So I'm just
You're
maybe
hoping it's the Indians this year.
maybe
That's the strategy.
If the car
Adla
looks
badla.
shit,
Performance ही
yeah.
Full adla
Akshay
badla.
Kumar, if the car looks shit, maybe they are ahead. Let's
Too
hope.
much blue also, no? Don't you feel?
I mean HP वो तो भाई वो तो
HP
last
पीछे-
year से ही वो
This is
HP
पीछे
का
आई।
मुझे लगता
भी
है
है।
HP का लैपटॉप यूज करते नहीं ओवर हीट होता है HP का लैपटॉप गर्म बहुत जल्दी है
उसके लिए तो पीछे है क्योंकि काम ही बंद कर देते हैं ना वो लोग अगर ओवर हीट हो गया खत्म
Restart.
खत्म
But I really don't like this. You know the stingray machi? It looks like it's like I really don't like what they've done with the
Oh,
bringing it
अभी एक
together
बार
like
stingray
this.
भी देखना पड़ेगा।
Look up
अबे स्टिंगरे तो पता है बे
स्टिंगरे
सबको.
तो मालूम है तो खाता है रोज
It's
संडे
stingray
को
हाँ, क्या?
machi.
स्टिंगरे स्टिंगरे हलवा
स्टीव ओवन को जो
Manta ray
मारा
types रे.
स्टीव ओवन को मारा जो
इसे पीछे पूछ
You know how
रहे
Steve
हैं।
Owen died?
It's exactly this, and it's I really don't like that.
Fair.
भाई honestly I like the other red pair.
शेट्टी को तो
I don't
पसंद
like
है ना?
this red
Wing
इसको
पे
तो
देखना,
पसंद नहीं
Wing
रहेगा
पे सबसे नीचे लिखा है रेबैन.
Yeah,
ये तो sponsor करता है
This
भाई
is what the
Ray-Ban.
detailing I like. Sponsor का detailing रखो. ऐसा नहीं कि दोरी वोरी लगाए है.
धोनी
This
का
will,
कौन-
this I will give you.
डोरी क्या होता है
अरे don't.
What is
रस्सी.
This-
ओ मैंने धोनी सुना.
This I would give
मैं
8.25. 8.25 out of 10.
8 point this is
You're
more
giving-
than red
What for? What for? It's like
It is like
made on
they've taken money and
Canva.
they have sold themselves.
No,
So
this is-
I am like that. You give me money, I'll sell myself. I'm like right now. मेरा कोई ईमान नहीं है.
अरे
so you
बाप रे.
respect the selling out
I am a sellout. You have to be a sellout to make it in life.
That's true.
true but they yeah okay fair
They will make it in life, Govind. Please be a sellout.
man it's bad 8.25
No, no.
8.25.
No, like 4.
4 yeah
Five-
4 I think 4
5.5.
is perfect
5.5 I think.
Okay, but let's talk about the red though, because it's like the old Ferrari red.
Yeah.
So they're trying to do something.
This is like
Legacy.
Schumacher is back in the car.
They're trying to do something.
Yeah.
Schumacher may be back in the car. You never know.
You never know. वो देख रहा है apparently F1
He's
बराबर
like,
से.
he's like
apparently
गिरते ही
he's
जा रहा है,
watching.
गिरते ही जा रहा है. One day
Yeah.
he'll be like, bus.
One day he'll come back from retirement and he'll be like, मैं तुम लोगों को बताता हूँ. I think that's only left.
Only that will
Ferrari
fix
now.
Ferrari.
and then
now.
he'll lose but like let's be realistic he'll lose only but yeah
नहीं नहीं वो F1 का गाना बट टी नी 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 टी नी
ये तो वो जय हो रोड का लग रहा है वो
Which is the next one?
let's do Alpine only yeah true
My favorite team.
I love how
favorite team.
Mercedes didn't even get mentioned. Alpine came first.
Alpine. Let's do
We-
ulta pulta. We'll never know what's.
So pretty.
Yeah.
What
So
a
pretty.
livery, man. That's what I call
So
it.
I like
pretty.
it. You
That's what I
like
call it 8.5 out of 10, man.
Dude,
This
this
is
8 out of 10.
not for me.
this
No.
reminds me of GTA Vice City, the actual
Yes.
Vice City.
Oh, yeah.
Same color scheme. Like if this car was in GTA Vice City, it would make so much
Ooh,
sense.
Yes.
This is exactly. But the thing is, they last year and पहले BWT जहाँ आता है ना हक देते हैं वो लोग
Yeah.
अपना कलर डाल के. This is a
This is so
good
nice.
mix. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is a good mix of Alpine and BWT. It's not overpowering. वरना BWT is just BWT. There was an Alpine livery which was just pink only, na?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So at least this is a good mix. Like it's both. It's not just BWT.
I think it's also really good shades. Like it's giving very comic book vibe with a little bit of,
Yeah.
you know, yeah, like cyberpunk, Barbie.
neon.
Exactly.
It's very,
And
yeah.
they won't be as peachy as they have been. So
We don't know that.
What
yet.
makes you say that?
Mercedes engine, maybe they'll be
Yeah.
mid of
They're
midfield.
struggling. They're struggling though, but Kola Pinto had.
Yeah.
We'll talk about it
अबे
later.
वो तो नहीं I mean let's
that's-
see.
yeah,
तो
yeah.
Yeah, but
थोड़ा और देखने
कुछ
मिलेगा.
कुछ करे और वो लोग का तुम लोगों को मैं लास्ट टाइम बोला ना वो लोग का बिजनेस ही अलग है वो लोग अभी कार मॉडिफिकेशन में चले गए
क्या था
Alpine.
BWT का फुल फॉर्म क्या था शेट्टी?
Bisleri something, no?
I don't remember.
British water something.
बिस्लरी वाटर टेक्नोलॉजी अंधेरी
I know.
नहीं चकला में गैरेज है और वो कौन है उसका
Flavio.
फ्लावियो बाहर बैठा रहता है और वो गाड़ी मॉडिफाई करता है किट डाल के देता है
बराबर।
आपका थार को ये बना के देता ये बना के देगा
G-Wagon.
G-Wagon।
अच्छा ओ थार को G-Wagon.
अरे वैगन आवर को भी जी वैगन बना के देता है बट उसके लिए अलग लगता है वो लोग को यू हैव टू विजिट देयर मिल्टन कीज फैक्ट्री
Milton Keyes
मिल्टन कीज में
factory.
बाकी लोग का फैक्ट्री ये लोग का उधर ये है कांचरेड है
Somehow we end up at Milton Keyes. all the
Milton
time.
Keyes.
But not.
And
I
Chakala.
don't know, man. It's too jhagmag for me.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
I like
What
the
is that?
jagmag.
But I think they leaned into
I
it.
think this is your
Yeah.
age talking, Yash. I think this is
that's
your
true.
age. Now you're like those kids. Like, खूब जगमग है ना थोड़ा सोबर दिखाओ ना
थोड़ा
अरे,
ऐसा
अरे.
monochromatic,
Minimal.
black and white.
Yeah, in a
blue.
world of liveries where it's only black and
Yeah.
white, this
Yeah.
is just nice, dude.
I think they bring life to the track.
Yeah, like Kick
Right.
Sauber का green था.
Unlike-
but their car doesn't have like
Unlike the car again.
For like the first few laps or whatever.
they're like that show stopper मतलब कि starting में
Stop.
10 फिर stop ही हो जाते show कह रहे show stopper
शो
stop
चालू होते ही स्टॉप हो जाता है
शुरू होने से पहले खत्म हो गया.
Formation lap में अच्छा दिखेगा ये.
हाँ वो है.
ऊपर
Yeah.
से
देख
Yeah.
फोटो अच्छा है बाकी
Photo
सबका
बहुत
पता
अच्छा आने
नहीं.
वाला है.
फोटो मस्त
Honestly,
है
ये livery के ये लोग ये जो पूरे manufactured photos देते हैं, I want to see it on the track.
yeah.
That's when you'll know if it actually looks good or no. It looks different sometimes.
वही ना
It's not standing out on the track though. It's like
Let's see अभी.
I'm just happy कि इतना carbon fiber नहीं है हर जगह last year जैसे
वो तो
मतलब वो करना ही पड़ा वो
mandate
लोग
भी कर
को.
दिया
I know
ना.
that's why I'm happy कि at least
हाँ कुछ
ज़्यादा
तो किया
दिख रहा है
है.
गाड़ी.
Let's do Audi.
Ooh.
थोड़ा
Ooh,
ऊपर नीचे करते हैं थोड़ा.
interesting
Oh wow, you already don't like the. I mean,
Audi looks like just
This is-
metal which has a
Yes.
little bit rust on it.
this is where you say good attempt.
yeah, true.
see I would cut them some slack see in life
अरे
you have to
बाप रे.
always
You
Yeah.
cut them. You
Cut-
cut anyone some slack, but not people who are doing a good
Cut
job.
Red Bull some slack, please. They for the first time.
It's their first season. Look at the next season. They will have Peacock, Flamingo also on it.
Dude, someone was correct. It's like F1 25 mein when you make your own car, when you
This
make
is-
your own
this-
livery,
Yep.
this is how you make. You only have few options, na? So
My career mode car.
career
looks
mode
like
car
these
is
only.
exactly this.
So there has to
And
be a
who-
Formula 2 team called High Tech GP.
Yeah.
ये उनका livery है मालूम है.
Mazepin.
Mazepin.
Mazepin's father owned the team.
Mazepin is the father also. His name is Nikita.
Nikita Mazepin's father, Mahesh Mazepin, used to own this team,
Ah.
High Tech GP. तो उन लोग का भी ऐसे livery है. So they've kind of तो उन्होंने क्या बोला Formula 2 का गाड़ी बना ही रहे तो Formula 2 का livery डाल देते हैं.
Strategy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Strategy.
But I like the thermal color, whatever is happening here. The red becomes orange or whatever.
Really, the red is.
It's
That's
it's
what
red.
I
It
don't
becomes
like.
orange.
That's the only part I
I-
don't. It's so random.
It reminds me of Silver Arrows Mercedes, like proper Silver
Yeah.
Arrows.
Yeah, like if you don't see the oranges,
Yeah.
that's what you get.
Yeah.
साइड से देखेगा ना ऐसा लगा है कि पीछे ना वो रेयर विंग में ना बोट लिखा हुआ है अमन गुप्ता हमने गाड़ी स्पॉन्सरशिप कर दी शार्क टैंक ऐस सीन ऑन शार्क टैंक
You know,
Sorry.
sometimes you walk down a street and you see houses जिसका सिर्फ एक ही दीवार कोई random color है कि बाजू वाले का थोड़ा पेंट बच गया और इस पे लगा दिया.
Oh, और ये-
It feels like McLaren का थोड़ा ऑरेंज पेंट बचा था तो उन लोग ने इधर लगा दिया.
That's true. और पता है जब बिल्डिंग पेंट हो रहा होता है बिल्डिंग के नीचे
वो
दे
swatch लगाते हैं
हाँ
लोग.
लगाते हैं ना वो लोग 3-4 उसका एक लग रहा है ये.
You know the best part I like about this is leave everything, but just here where the Audi rings are, no, like the nice orange on like
Yeah.
chrome, that looks
You know, but
very
That looks
I
good.
saw some concept liveries where they put the ring here, and that is what I think they should have done. They should have
beach
played,
में. Oh, like
yeah,
on
they
the
should-
side pod.
yeah, they should have played the
Oh.
rings better. Like,
That
और
actually would have
लेकिन
been
और
very
ब्रांड्स
good.
भी आना बाकी है ना.
अरे उधर बाजू
हाँ, हाँ,
बाजू में
वो
लिखना था ना उन लोगों को
Sponsors.
रेक्सोना.
Rexona है भी नहीं, वो revolt है.
Rexona, Medimix,
इतना टाइम हो गया मैं वो सुन के.
Medimix.
विलियम्स का था रेक्सोना लिखा हुआ था एक टाइम. हाँ. ऊपर रेक्सोना लिखा था, बाजू में सनसिल्क लिखा था.
Yeah.
ड्राइवर लोग जल्दी गाड़ी तो रिटायर होता था ना जल्दी ताकि बाल धोते
oh,
थे.
that's why Carlos Sainz is now at Williams.
That's
अरे
why his hair is also so nice.
Easter egg that you don't need.
But अच्छा है यार.
नहीं वो
I
ऑरेंज
think-
हटा देते तो अच्छा लगता.
My complaint is, I think any other color apart from orange would have been fine because I don't know, it somewhere reminds me of McLaren.
Yeah, and the rest of it reminds you of Mercedes. So फिर then
Yeah.
what is this car?
The rings. Just
Yeah,
look
the
at
rings.
this.
Yeah.
बस.
Like,
And I like Audi. So in general,
I genuinely think if they would have taken Sauber ka green, like that neon green, it would look so much better.
and this.
Yeah.
And it's like everything same, just change the colors to neon green.
और
नहीं.
वो लोग कपड़ा भी ऐसा लग रहा है ना उन लोग का जो if you see the uniform that they have given to the drivers, it also looks so bad. It's ऐसा लगता है कि वो लोग कार मैकेनिक है. तो देख ना ऐसा ब्राउन कलर का कपड़ा दिया है.
Yeah, it's grey. It looks like mechanic
Yeah.
हाँ,
uniform.
ऐसा लगता है उसके बाद गाड़ी रिपेयर ही करते हैं वो लोग.
No, but their merch kit, like the hoodies and everything, that looks really nice.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
I've
that looks
seen
If you
We
want to
should
order
discuss-
merch kit, go to their website.
कुछ पैसा
Unnecessary
डाल.
sponsorship.
Shout out to Audi F1
Audi
team.
F1 team merch.
Shout out to Navneet Motors.
नवनीत.
But Barcelona test में Audi का it looked good because their car was fully black because they couldn't show livery
Yeah.
and their ये वो लोग पहन भी रहे थे black hoodies.
Yeah,
That looked good.
that looked really nice.
Yeah.
अब
Then
वो black
they-
पे ये orange डालो तो अच्छा दिखेगा.
हाँ.
Like full
Yeah.
black and
Yeah.
orange.
Yeah.
That would be really nice.
McLaren.
That would be a bad
McLaren.
Need for speed.
Yeah.
NFS.
Yeah, like that proper Bumblebee from Transformers वैसा वाला vibe.
So basically 4 out of 5 ना शेट्टी तेरा ही है सिर्फ
तेरे लिए
rating,
तो-
पता नहीं क्यों.
I would just give it a 6.5.
I knew it. He just
क्या बात है.
That's actually not bad.
not bad because I think it looks good on track. I think if you go in the details, it's a little boring, but like when you
Yeah.
look at it, it looks good.
He
so.
cut some slack because first time team.
First time
time.
team.
Yeah. Let's
तो
do.
फिर Cadillac को भी.
And then Nico's gonna win, so that will fix
That's
it.
true.
Manifesting.
That's true. Finally.
Yeah, they figure out their engine.
Just as an aside, Hadjar said कि I can't wait. I'll win a
First GP in
first
this
GP in
Red
this.
Bull. He's very
In this,
confident
he's
about
very
it. yeah?
confident. Yeah.
Good for him.
In that Red Bull that you didn't like.
Yeah.
The one you gave 3.2.
Yeah. He'll win.
हजार को वो लोग सेकंड हैंड गाड़ी देने वाले. लास्ट ईयर का ये लोग क्या करते हैं वो लोग तो अब तुम लोग सच बताता हूँ. जो लास्ट ईयर का गाड़ी जो मैक्स से चला रहे थे ना रेगुलेशन में वो हजार को मिलने वाले हैं इस बार सेकंड हैंड.
ये जैसे
वो बड़ा भाई behavior.
वेस्टर्न लाइन के ट्रेन जब पुराने हो जाते हैं वो
वो
सेंट्रल
central
लाइन
में
और
जाता है.
हार्बर लाइन में जाता है वैसा.
बराबर.
वैसे हजार बोलेगा ये ऐसा क्यों है ये नया रेगुलेशन चला चुपचाप साले.
Let's do Mercedes.
I'm excited to do Mercedes.
I like Mercedes.
ये Adidas का लोगो लग रहा है.
Yeah, yeah, that's-
I was waiting for someone to
The
say
blog,
Adidas.
It is.
Oh, look, they are sponsored by them. No,
But Adidas is not on them anymore. It's not on the car. This is AMG. The design is not
Yeah.
Adidas. That's AMG.
Yeah, yeah. नहीं मैं पूछ रहा हूँ Adidas is
हाँ,
still
like,
with them.
for
Is it?
their.
I thought they were just Audi.
I think
Audi
this
is-
year say they've gone to Audi.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
this year they Audi तो है वो Barcelona testing में भी when
Yeah.
they were wearing the hoodies and all it was all Adidas.
And Puma is with Ferrari. No.
Yeah, Puma is with Ferrari. Puma is
and
Ferrari.
McLaren.
Puma
And
is with Amazon.
अरे
Yeah.
Order Puma shoes on
Yeah,
Amazon.
shout out to Amazon.
सब
Shout out to Amazon.
AWS Amazon Web Services.
अपने mansion में दारू पी रहा होगा ये time पे हम लोग
Drivers will survive.
Shout out
5,000 है Instagram पे
Shout
हम लोग
out-
Amazon को shout out दे रहे हैं.
Shout out
क्या
to this
बात है?
small company called Amazon. But what do you guys think of
I
this?
like it.
I did not.
What?
Nope.
I like it.
See, I like the black Mercedes. I'm so sorry, but black Mercedes, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. I like the black Mercedes
Yeah,
more.
I like it when I see it from this side because it's more black.
Yeah.
But then
Yeah.
this looks bad.
This I agree will look bad.
Yeah, look at that.
This looks
you know what
ugly as
this
fuck.
reminds me of? This like these tribes. Have you seen that photo where that whale met with an accident and he had scars?
What?
Wait,
What?
I'll show you. It
too
sounds very graphic, but you see this.
Show.
You see this.
Oh. How did you already have it ready?
He was like,
When you were
favorite.
talking, I was like,
That's messed
कैसे
up.
एक्सीडेंट हुआ वेल का? ये तो चलता रहेगा. वेल का कैसा हुआ?
अभी ठीक है यार वो. He got caught up in a
अभी ठीक है,
boat
he
or
followed up.
something. But dude, it looks exactly
like
like
fins.
that.
Yeah.
It looks like those fish
Fins.
scales kind of situation. Which
Fins.
Fins, yeah.
This also.
It looks like paplet.
Paplet. Yes, I was
Now
going to say
it-
this also gives me the same fish.
पापलेट ऐसा गाड़ी के ऊपर पापलेट डाल दिया टोटो ने. We have done the
वो
paplet
कलर
design
लेकिन
this
अच्छा
time.
लगा. I know like black is like more black is always like very sexy.
The
But I think
thing
this looks nice.
good from here.
हाँ,
When you
from
look
the
at it
side, yes.
ऊपर
ऊपर से it
yeah.
looks
ऊपर से
bad.
it looks shit.
And
Really
उसके
bad.
अंदर
It looks
बैठने
fine.
भी कौन वाला जॉर्ज रसेल तो like imagine.
Sorry, one second. What?
I like George Russell now.
I love George Russell. You all are always shitting on George Russell.
no, it's usually only
He doesn't-
Govind.
he's not a very
I actually, I'm the only one who said कि now I like George Russell. You guys were
That's
like,
true.
"She." मैं ये it was a nice joke that was right there, so I said it.
जब चैंपियनशिप जीतेगा ना तब बात करेंगे हम लोग.
अरे जीतने तो यार अच्छी बात है. वो बहुत साल से स्ट्रगल कर रहा है.
पता चला
जीतने को यार मतलब
जीत रहे
हम
दो.
लोग हम भी
मतलब
गिव
उसको कौन
परमिशन.
मना कर रहा है? Let him win.
हम लोग परमिशन देते
देख
रहते.
अगर स्ट्रगल की बात कर रहे हैं तो फिर लक तो बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं भाई बहुत पहले से.
यार वो बात
उसके
नहीं
बारे में तो भूल ही गया मैं.
वो बात नहीं करते. वो छोड़ दे.
Too soon.
Too soon.
Too soon.
वो भी सोचना वो गंदे फरारी में स्ट्रगल करेगा यार सब एटलीस्ट थोड़ा. बट
Sure.
क्या out of 25 Shetty.
I would give this 7.8.
Out of
Out of
25.
25.
Out of 25, I would just give it
For that,
15.6.
15.6 out of 25.
25 and 7.5 out of 10.
So the math isn't mathing, but
It's so
7.6.
It never
random. I
does.
don't understand
It
क्या
never does.
पसंद आ रहा है तेरे को क्या नहीं आ रहा है.
Shetty is a very hard man to
there's like a coin
impress.
slot going on. Picture.
Yeah.
It stops at
No, I doubled it. 7.8 था ना, that 15.6.
Ah.
No, he's not a hard man to please.
But
He's a
out of-
confusing
out-
man
out
to
of-
please. क्या
but out
क्या
of
पसंद
10
आ
we
रहा है?
didn't double 20. No, we did 25.
25.
25 था.
That's on me now. How much I want to
Fair
proportionately
enough, fair
do it.
enough.
I don't have a right. I don't have a voice. मेरा
Yes,
दबाव-
yes, yes.
Why are you doing this to me?
You
Stop
go,
co-
girl. Let's
Stop
go.
coming at
Let's
me,
go.
Vivian.
I like it.
I love it.
All right, Bijwasi Sweets, Achija, McDonald's, सब लोग का ब्रांड. इतना पैसा आ गया विलियम्स के पास. They were like, fuck you, Barcelona testing. Fuck you. हम लोग नहीं आने
बहुत
वाले.
पैसा आ गया भाई.
मैं सोच रहा था क्या बोल
Possibly
रहा है
every
रिजवासी.
sponsors name they are put यार. These people, they are showing people कि इतना पैसा आ गया हमारे
They have
पास.
new
Bro,
McLaren.
Barclays आ गया है भाई.
No, but you know what is interesting? Usually on the side pod, they put one sponsor बड़े में. उसने वो भी ऐसा दो काट के कोमात्सु और बाकी.
अरे अभी और एक आने वाला है. अभी और एक आने वाला है. परिचय क्लोथिंग बोरीवली वेस्ट.
भाई.
No, but honestly.
तू आ गया तो सॉरी फ्रंट
नहीं नहीं बोलते रहे तू ही
नहीं,
बोलते
तू
रहे
बोल,
भाई
बोल,
अब
बोल.
हम बात ही
आप
नहीं
लोग को
करेंगे.
जानना है परिचय क्लोथिंग में और क्या क्या
परिचय क्लोथिंग
क्या
बोल.
बेचते हो?
हाँ भाई बोल.
अरे हंस क्या रहे?
कितना स्मॉल गल्फ कोमाट्सू ऊपर से कोमाट्सू आगे कोमाट्सू ने कितना पैसा दिया है ये लोग.
Atlassian, Kraken.
पिरेली भी है.
ये भी है संजय घोड़ावत.
ये पिरेली अलग से पैसा दे रहा है क्या?
The tire.
नहीं वो पिरेली का टायर है ना. अच्छा
No, the casino on the
Casino,
tire.
casino.
Oh, yeah, I didn't see
Jackpot
that.
City Casino.
You know, I think after.
Dream 11 का स्पॉन्सरशिप जैसा लग रहा है वो.
हाँ भाई.
But
और
you-
इसमें numbers भी है.
Make your
I mean
team.
like the numbers
It's
are
like
very
a
odd. It's not
roulette
like the
wheel.
roulette. No, it's not like the roulette, but it's just like random numbers.
हाँ, but वो I think that was the inspiration. I feel after McLaren's chrome wheel, this is the next best.
Yeah. No, the
McLaren-
chrome wheel is actually the best.
हाँ,
Like
this
नहीं
is-
by a mile it's.
I was very surprised to
Yeah.
see that. I was like, ये क्या मस्त integrate किया.
बहुत है. By a mile it's the
Yeah,
best.
yeah.
But
Yeah,
this is
like
good.
I think they took the inspiration. They said we should do something with the tire.
Yeah.
उतना land नहीं हुआ, but
एक्स्ट्रा पैसा कहाँ से और थोड़ा टायर से थोड़ा और
चलाने में
पैसा.
बहुत मजा आता है.
कम
no,
पैसा
but I
कमा.
really like what they've done यहाँ पर. Like it's like human anatomy dividing muscle groups, and they've just divided and put the
Oh.
sponsor. I really like
इतना
that.
इतना details
इतना
हम
तो
लोग-
I
No,
don't think.
that's what I thought when I first
अपेंडिक्स
saw it.
नहीं है यहाँ पर ह्यूमन एनाटॉमी में. दोनों ड्राइवर के अपेंडिक्स तो है नहीं. तो
कार में
एल्बन का भी नहीं है. एल्बन का भी नहीं है.
हाँ नहीं है ना.
कभी निकाला उसने.
उसमें ये भी है.
बताया ही नहीं.
बताया नहीं मतलब फोन करेंगे तेरे को यश.
अरे साइंस का तो बताया था ना सबको हम लोग.
एल्बन का भी गया है ना कि
नहीं.
मैं ऐसे ही अज्यूम
No,
कर रहा
I
हूँ.
think he, yeah.
उसका
है उसके
है
पास.
अपेंडिक्स.
नहीं, नहीं, नहीं,
नहीं है
नहीं
ना.
है.
Now put- Ask Google.
I'm just calling it.
Google को पूछ Alex Albin
Man,
has appendix or
Does Alex Albin
not? Have an appendix.
have an appendix? No. Directly आया भी. That's the first answer. No, Alex Albin does not have his appendix.
अरे
फोटो भी
That
है
was the
उसका.
driver
क्या,
selection
appendix का?
criteria.
हाँ,
दिखा?
नहीं रे, वो हॉस्पिटल बेड
ओ,
का
अच्छा।
उसके.
हॉस्पिटल में ऐसा कर रहा है, ऐसा कोई करता है क्या?
But it's looking really good. Like even on track, it's looking really good. In Bahrain also, it was looking
Zoom in थोड़ा
nice.
सा.
कौन सा वाला?
Yeah, this looks nice.
That battery detailing will
Oh, dude,
always
that will
be one
always
of the
be-
Bro,
best.
I think Duracell
I love
is
that.
the most secure sponsor on the
Yeah.
grid. उनको एक जगह मिला, उनको हर साल वही जगह पे चिपका
And
रहे हैं
also वहाँ मतलब I feel like इससे better कुछ
Yeah,
fit
yeah,
होगा
yeah,
नहीं.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It's like McLaren doing the chrome wheel, but with the
Yeah. This
very
is just perfect. And like comparing this to पहले Williams का 2021 था. लतीफी की वजह से याद आ गया मेरे को.
Rexona.
गंदा livery.
Rexona, Lavazza, Rexona.
गंदा livery था वो. I just compare
Driver भी
everything.
गंदा ही था.
हाँ वो भी. But I just compare everything like अभी
Yeah.
recent with just to that livery because it was
What a-
horrible.
But this one is very nice.
Yeah.
I like the sides. I like the front.
all the profiles are very nice.
Even with the helmet in between, it looks nice. Very contrasting colors. Very catchy.
प्लस ड्राइवर भी अच्छे खासे दिखते हैं इन लोग के.
Yeah, ना.
तो ओवरऑल द पैकेज इज नाइस.
Yeah. Good job.
Also,
Good job.
What
Williams.
they've done here now, like they didn't do the stingray fish thing. उन्होंने बीच में black डाल दिया है.
Yeah.
So it doesn't. If you look at the top, it doesn't do the stingray because I was looking at that. So it looks better.
क्या बात? कितना देगा शेट्टी?
Shetty.
आउट ऑफ 7.3.
Oh,
Out of
free.
7.3,
7.3.
3.2.
That's it.
क्या?
क्या?
शक्ति तो कुछ चमाट मारूंगा मैं. क्या है तेरा प्रॉब्लम?
ये power of attorney किसी और को दे दो.
वही इसके पास क्यों चला गया पता नहीं.
शेट्टी आउट ऑफ 10 हाउ मच वुड यू गिव? चल सीरियसली थोड़ा.
Seriously, realistically speaking, I would give it a hard 8.8.
Oh,
तो तू उधर 3.2 क्यों दिया?
ऐसे ही.
मेरा proportion
अच्छा 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 अच्छा.
वो जैसा स्केल कम होते जाता है ना, पॉइंट्स का देने का गति कम हो जाता है.
अभी कितना दिया तूने?
ज़्यादा नहीं है तो
8.8.
हाँ. 8.8.
8.8
That's
is decent.
Good, good.
Haas,
Haas.
Tata Gyanju.
Bro,
Bro.
Haas is a fucking vibe,
It's a
bro.
10. Oh,
Wait,
fuck.
1 second.
Don't look at this.
Shetty, what do you think?
No wait, Chetty will come in the end. No.
अच्छा.
What do you think?
I think we should not look at the top view because that gives toilet.
That's true.
That's Indian.
That's Indian toilet, that too.
Oh my god, I didn't even see that. But other than that,
Other than that, I think it's beautiful. I
Bro,
think
sides,
I posted about this and it's giving Tokyo Drift. Like
Yeah.
the lines, the way they've done it, it's very speed design. Like it's very motion
Yeah.
design. I love it, and the TGR is. I love it. It's very
This is after in NFS after you've gotten money how you can make your car.
That's true.
This is that.
Yeah, that's damn true.
And it looks very good, dude. The black, the white, and the red.
It sits very well.
It's very
Rich
well.
Energy रहता. Rich Energy था ना वो क्या था?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, the
That's
black
क्या-
one.
I like
The black
the
and
livery.
golden.
I like the livery. Black.
अरे शेट्टी को पसंद आया.
KKR inspired.
Yeah.
कि नहीं, वो
Haas को
वाला-
बता
वो
दो.
वाला
Haas को
ना?
बता दो.
This this is also good. This I would give 9.5 out of 10. You don't even have to ask.
9.5.
The highest you've given.
To a car which is going to be quite low.
No, I don't think they'll be that.
They have.
Okay, they might be
I mean,
low.
let's
Yeah.
let's not set the expectation too high.
I just
right
don't
now.
want to assume anything about anyone right now.
Ferrari engine.
Wait, that's exactly what I thought about. I thought about how it's a Ferrari engine.
This is very funny, but let's bring it up now because we spoke about Ferrari engine. Only one thing. So I think the second or the third day of testing, no. So they, I think Lewis was driving. So they told him, "Tu pura chala fuel khatam hone tak. Let's see
yeah,
till where the
yeah.
mileage goes." So of course now the fuel is over, so the car will stop. So everyone first only said, "इसका पहले ही engine चालू हो गया issue देना." And they had to clarify, no, we let him go till that point and then it stopped. Dude, how bad you've messed up previously that you have to be like, भाई नहीं हम लोग का engine चलता है.
नहीं, this is
हम लोग ने रुकने
intentional.
बोला उसको.
For once, this is intentional.
Yeah, for once this is intentional. It was too
Yeah.
funny.
But
dude.
has a good driver lineup also. They have
Yeah.
Oliver Bearman who kind of peaked in the second half of the season, and they have Ocon who's under considerable pressure from the team because Komatsu ने बोला we expected better from Ocon.
निकालना चाहिए उसको.
निकालना
They may chuck him out. They may chuck him
वो
out. if they-
बेचारा.
Yeah, उसको निकाल देना
I
चाहिए.
agree.
Yeah, of course.
फिर महिंद्रा से किसी को लेके
कुछ नहीं
आएंगे.
आता है उधर से.
हाँ, but sorry, I can't get my mind off how that's an Indian toilet now. I never.
You can't unsee it now.
छी यार.
वो
ये
proper.
ट्रेन का भी लग रहा है. ये ट्रेन में बाथरूम.
Also, like it's white,
Yeah.
so like it works.
Is that chalk white?
What's really funny is the positioning क्योंकि बीच में तो ड्राइवर बैठेगा वहाँ पर if it's a dog.
Like the performance that's gonna be delivered is gonna be shit.
Yeah.
It actually, now that Aniva said toilet, no, मेरे को white से वो toilet porcelain white लग रहा है यार अभी.
अरे यार.
But ये लोग का मेरे को लिवरी लॉन्च मस्त था एक वीडियो. I love those
Yeah.
which are video. Everyone's like
सबका
अब
लोग
सब
ही
अपना
था.
काम करो ये ला
Yeah,
ये
yeah.
रहा ऐसा दिख रहा है बस खत्म. Red Bull को अपना Ford इंटीग्रेशन लाना था तो 20 घंटा वो लोग ने कर दिया.
So Shetty, this is 9.5 out of 10.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Are
क्या
you
बात है?
serious?
Yeah, I liked it.
Even with the toilet.
Yeah, you like
Yeah.
toilets that much? Or
Not toilets, but it is a Haas.
Because it's giving Indian toilet, so
Yeah.
representation.
Because Haas, so this is the best that they could have done with the car. Because with the car, you never know what they do.
No, I agree.
बराबर.
More than Lindblad, this is Indian representation.
India.
Yeah, more than Lindblad.
They're like कितना clout आ रहा है हम लोग भी कुछ लगाते हैं.
Proud Indian. You should just post a photo of that.
I love this livery.
तेरा एक cigarette और
Which
5
livery? वो तो बता.
Sorry.
I love the.
Yes.
आप
Guess
figure it out.
delivery.
Yes.
What livery
I
is
love
Shetty
the
talking about?
livery of
No, don't say.
Kotak
First
Mahindra
livery.
Ratnakar Bank V car.
Yeah.
Mutual fund सही है वीकार.
See, this is what the original Red Bull should look like. It has some personality. It has like we are a team. We are going ahead with
कौन
it.
से जमाने में ये ओरिजिनल रेड बुल लग रहा है तेरे को?
कौन सा शुगर
Not
फ्री रेड बुल
not original. Arey, please, yaar, Govind, stop making fun of me. You always do
Of
this.
you?
Why are you taking
Govind,
it
you always
personal?
do this. I feel bad, Govind. I cry to
At night, no?
To seriously लिया के.
हाँ नहीं भाई. I was happy कि you cry yourself to
Govind
sleep.
How long is it take?
Govind कैसे देख रहा था मेरे तरफ वाले में? मारेगा भी. He'll take you like a cat will take a swipe at me or what?
Yeah. तो मैं तेरे को रुलाने के लिए कुछ
Just
भी
bitch
करूँगा.
slap him now.
Yeah, I'll do anything to. My cat won't do it for you. He's a very nice cat.
हाँ, it looks
Yeah.
like a fork.
Okay.
Yes, fork. Spoon.
अरे ये देख 1 2
दो तीन underline.
Oh.
अपना आदमी इसमें ही है समझा ना.
Oh.
Arvid Lindblad,
And-
ऑमलेट कार, ये ऑमलेट किधर दिखता है? देखो ना बराबर से ऑमलेट.
India.
Actually यार dude,
Omelette
बीच में
किधर दिखता है? Omelette
बीच में
car.
थोड़ा येलो है और
Like
व्हाइट है.
the
वो
point.
हल्दी है.
But
ये लाल मिर्च.
हाँ.
but someone said Lewis Hamilton and his Ferrari will look like an omelette because white है और उसका helmet yellow है.
Oh.
ये लिवरी का कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. हम लोग को कुछ नहीं हो रहा है.
भाई अरविंद किल करने वाला है. क्या होगा मालूम है? तुम लोगों को बता दो क्या होने वाला है रेड बुल में? अरविंद को क्या है ना, मेरा बात हुआ अरविंद से परसों, मेरे को मिला था कांदिवली में. मैं अरविंद को बोला बेटा देख बारिश जा रहे तो बरोबर है सब, तो बरोबर से गाड़ी मत चला अभी. क्या कर मालूम है, तू लॉसन वाला स्ट्रेटेजी ले ले. पहले 2 ठोक दे गाड़ी, तो फिर देखो तो बोलेगा ये क्या, ये तो ऐसे ही है, फिर जीत जा. और आपने हो गया हैजर वैसे भी अंडर परफॉर्म करने वाला है. हैजर वैसे हैजर को सेकंड हैंड गाड़ी मिल रहा है, हैजर को निकाल देंगे वो लोग.
बराबर.
हैजर का सुनोड़ा होने वाला है कि
ओह.
इधर से उधर, फिर बाहर रेसिंग करियर ही खत्म. फिर हैजर क्या करेगा, पेरिस में इसका मिसल का स्टॉल डालेगा.
मिसल रामन.
मिसल रामेन
Yeah.
ये है.
अच्छा हो गया.
हो गया.
ठीक है गोविंद, तुझे
अच्छा,
समझ
अच्छा.
गया. तुझे क्रास लगता हो ना मैं.
नहीं भाई.
The grass is on greener.
Grass is
But coming back to the livery,
Again.
I feel like it's a nice representation of a sister team. If you compare it to
Yeah.
Red Bull, अच्छा लग रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है सेम फैमिली का ही है. थोड़ा कलर स्कीम जैसा उन लोगों ने किया.
Yeah.
It's
Like,
nice.
like that sister who's been given equal property share in the property.
Yeah.
No, that sister who gets the Uttaran. It looks like that. It's like rejected designs were in a folder and they were like,
hand me downs.
But in a
Yes,
folder. Oh.
hand me downs.
This also looks like Red Bull ka Vegas livery sort
Yeah,
of.
yeah.
Like a
The
little
white.
bit. The white.
This livery gives me a lot of pick me girl vibes.
अरे
शेट्टी के मन में जो वर्ड आ जाता है ना, he's like यही बोल
ये बोल देते हैं.
मतलब बने या ना बने.
ये keyword strategy है क्या?
SEOS का ये.
Yeah.
But अच्छा है रे.
I like it.
इतना नहीं
It's
खराब है.
okay. It's okay. I mean,
It's soft but bold at the same time.
I feel like it's soft but insignificant at the same time.
My only complaint is, dude, इन लोग ने बहुत ज्यादा बार कैश ऐप लिखा है. क्योंकि इन लोग ने
अरे
rear पे
पैसा,
लिखा-
अरे गरीब टीम है, भिखारी है वो लोग.
अबे
अबे
क्या
Red Bull कैसे
का
भिखारी
sister
है
team
भाई?
भिखारी बोल रहा है तू, क्या बोल रहा है शेट्टी? भिखारी तो नहीं है भाई.
सिस्टर टीम है भाई.
हाँ मतलब कौन पैसा देगा?
एक
वही
हाँ.
कैश ऐप दे रहा है तो आप
दो,
वो भी दे रहा है, ट्यूबॉक
तीन,
बियर भी दे रहा है,
चार,
ट्यूबॉक.
5, 6,
Yeah.
7 साइड पॉड,
Oh, yeah, dude.
साइड 8, 9.
Too many
बहुत
cash
सारा
apps.
कैश ऐप लिखा है उन लोग ने.
अरे डूड आई गेट इट डूड, बहुत पैसा दिया रहेगा कैश ऐप ने.
हाँ, so it's fascinating
रत्नाकर
कि
बैंक
कितना
ने भी
पैसा
पैसा
दिया है.
दिया है. रत्नाकर बैंक ने बोला कि हम लोग इतना हाउरट नहीं है, तुम हमारा नाम
मत
कह
डाल।
रहा पोस्ट क्रेडिट में डाल दो.
रेस के बोला, अरे
स्पेशल थैंक्स.
रत्नाकर बैंक.
वेरी नाइस.
चलो.
ठीक है, ये लिवरी
वो बहुत हो गया.
क्या कितना बोलना.
I would give this a strong
Out of
eight-
how much?
Out of 10, I would give it a 8.65.
8.65.
10.
It's 10, 8.65.
8.65. No, this is like a 6.
I would say 7 out of 10.
Mid.
Decent. हाँ.
Okay, no?
Yeah, mid. Mid is the right word.
Dude, no. Cadillac, I liked it. It's like two different cars. It's nice to look at it, be like, अब कौन है?
Cadillac is like a black and white movie at this point.
It's
I feel like this has been done
it's
to.
Charlie
मेरे को
Chaplin.
बहुत अच्छा
Yeah.
लगा कैडिलैक ने जो अपना ओपनिंग रखा था इधर लिंकिंग रोड पे. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. नेशनल कॉलेज के बच्चे लोग भी गए थे 2 दिन तक. उन्होंने उधर एक्स का स्प्रे मार के रखा था और एक्स का स्प्रे कम हो रहा था. मुझे कैडिलैक का बहुत अच्छा लगा लिली.
उसी वजह से ही उन लोग को फाइन मिला है, मालूम है ना?
वो
एक
हाँ.
1.5
अरे तो
मिलियन.
आरटीओ ने फाइन मारा ना, परमिशन
हाँ.
के बिना तुम लोग कैसे लिवरी लॉन्च रखा.
बराबर, वो सब नहीं कर सकते.
नंबर प्लेट भी नहीं था क्या?
That's
नहीं
true.
था.
वो लाल वाला नंबर
ओवर
प्लेट.
पावती काटा ना डायरेक्ट.
अच्छा, ऑनलाइन आता है अभी. हाँ, क्या बोल रहा था मैं? नहीं, but it's nice, dude. I like this. This is
I like
like
it. It's a good
for
attempt.
better than Audi.
Yes. See, I was
100%.
yes,
That's true.
Govind, because we stay in the same area, our thought process is also
Yes,
same.
yes.
I
Yours
like-
has been different throughout.
Yeah, but now it is
episode.
same.
Yeah.
I'm trying to align with you.
Ah,
And
nice.
now
Yeah.
it's come.
Yeah.
Not giving,
You're reaching
sorry,
together.
not giving you pick me vibes. Okay.
Yeah.
So मेरे को ये लग रहा है कि नया टीम होने के बाद भी see, I feel jokes apart, I feel the overall approach that Cadillac has been taking with their whole Formula One program is very aggressive and it's a very systematic approach wherein they पूरा जो नासा करता है अपोलो 16 वाला कि there will be like a center in the US where race engineers directly data relay करेंगे. Even with the livery launch, they seem a little serious. And even with the driver lineup, I think we haven't seen a driver lineup this aggressive for a team since Sainz and Albon.
Sorry, just as an aside, इसमें there was, I don't know who it was, but there was some F1 interviewer only. वो ऐसे चल के बात कर रहा था, बहरीन के इसमें होगा, and he was talking about Lewis Hamilton and Kim Kardashian. He was like, I couldn't ask Lewis Hamilton about this. ये वो कि अरे I thought I'll ask him. And then Bottas आया to get interviewed. He stood there. And this guy is still talking about Lewis Hamilton and Kim Kardashian to Bottas. He's like, what do you think? I should have asked him about Kim Kardashian. And Bottas is just like, yeah. And there's a comment being like, Bottas is like, what the fuck am I supposed to say to this?
As much as I want to know.
बेचारा तू सोच ना
बोटास 1600 रुपए टी शर्ट बेच रहा है.
तू वो सोचना बोटास का कितना खराब नसीब. ही वॉज इन द सेम टीम तभी भी उसको हैमिल्टन का
वही.
पूछा. वो F1 छोड़ा तभी भी उसका हैमिल्टन का पूछा. नाउ ही इज बैक इन द
Back.
सेम टीम फिर भी वही पूछ रहा है
वही पूछ
उसको.
रहा है कि क्या अभी किम कार्डाशियन और लुइस. Do you should see, if I find the video I'll send it. You should see Bottas's expression. He's like, क्या चाहिए भाई तेरे को? मैं क्या किम कार्डाशियन के बारे में क्या बोलूं अभी मैं?
But do you think they're dating?
Yeah, of course they're dating. Do you
They
think
are.
they
They are.
Yeah, what do you
No,
think?
that was AI.
Oh, that was
That was
AI?
AI.
Fucking hell, dude. I just
They were
keep...
at the Super Bowl.
Yeah.
The kissing was AI.
अरे यार.
सुपर बोल में सबको सब कुछ मालूम है, लेकिन कौन खेल रहा था वो नहीं मालूम.
हाँ, वो तो
अरे ये
वो
मुंबई
अमेरिकन्स देखते हैं.
अरे
वो
मुंबई
हम-
इंडियंस और आरसीबी का मैच.
अच्छा.
Fair.
अरे
कौन जीता?
हाँ?
सचिन तेंदुलकर.
ये आरसीबी जीता.
अच्छा.
हाँ, से भी.
अब मैं क्या बोला था
धोनी.
कि मैं बात किया लुइस से परसों मिला था. एंथनी मिला था. एंथनी डिमार्ट के बारे में मिला था.
नहीं
हेजर के साथ हेजर के साथ मिला था एंथनी हैमिल्टन.
इसको नहीं मालूम.
नहीं वो रेफरेंस बोलेंगे
हाँ.
तू ही चालू
हेजर के
किया
साथ.
था.
और हेजर रो भी रहा था. बोला था कि क्या अंकल रोज का रहता है. एंथनी भी बैठ रहा, चुप मेरा चल अंदर.
बहन के लौटा चुप.
मैं बोला क्या है आपका बेटा क्या गुल खिला रहा है. बोलता हाँ अभी हमारी बहू है वो.
अबे थोड़ा गाड़ी की बात करते हैं भाई. ये क्या है?
I feel the car needs one more color. Just
There is
one
a-
axle.
What
Like
about
yellow.
orange?
Yeah.
Orange.
No,
Like
gold
yellow.
would be really because
Yellow.
Cadillac does gold,
That's true,
right?
they do
That
do
would be
gold.
really-
Tiny.
अरे
अबे वो
भाई
Tommy
वो
Hilfiger
logo
का
है
logo है
यार।
भाई.
Tiny red.
वो टॉमी हिलफिगर है.
Take it or leave it.
टॉमी हिलफिगर is racist towards Indians.
हाँ क्या मेरे को तो
I think. या तो मैं
I
बना
mean,
रहा हूँ
most
कुछ
of
भी.
the world is a little
That's
racist
also
towards
true, yeah.
us.
which is fair.
No, but
That's
then
true.
the way they launched this, he's right because their film was also like the moon landing. The entire premise was moon landing, and they were like
Oh.
3, 2, 1. It's a really nice film, and that's what they are getting
Oh.
sued over. But yeah, it's a really
क्योंकि
cool.
परमिशन ही नहीं ली.
हाँ, मतलब they stole the idea from the director.
उन लोग ने YouTube पे डाला नासा मून लैंडिंग फिर वो ऐसा सेव फॉर्म करके उन लोग ने वो डाउनलोड करके डाला
वही.
Moon
इसके लिए.
landing and us at P20, we are the same.
TWG क्या है?
No, it's a company only. It's a AI
तातेवाड़ा.
company.
तातेवाड़ा.
Tata.
Water Group.
तातावाड़िया ग्रुप. TWG.
Oh, ठाकुर वाधवा ग्रुप वो है मेरे घर के बाजू एक बिल्डिंग है ठाकुर वाधवा ग्रुप. लोकेशन पता चल गया हमारे घर का.
कर दिया आपने.
माकाबो.
Okay, but what
और क्या क्या?
like
Okay, but we also need to talk about how this is giving McLaren West.
McLaren West.
McLaren West क्या
McLaren
होता है?
West, the earlier McLaren livery.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
And the split livery.
The only fact I like about Cadillac is they are very strongly leaning to the American heritage wala
Yeah.
in whatever they are putting
What
out.
Haas
The
couldn't.
marketing
Yeah,
is
yeah,
so spot on. Like Times Square में रख दिया, Super Bowl में launch कर रहे हैं, and then the entire moon landing. It's very like they've owned
मून
America.
लैंडिंग भी चुराया बट ठीक है.
अरे भाई चुरा के मतलब
हमें अमेरिका है ना तो
अमेरिकन
Are you
चुराते ही तो
surprised?
हैं.
they kind of had a see. I feel what Cadillac did with their whole launch is because they saw what Haas did not do. Because again, Haas being an American team, they never focused on the whole Americanness of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the whole approach has been great. And I feel going to P20 बोल रहा है मेरे को लग रहा है कि ये लोग points में आएंगे.
एक दो बार आ जाएंगे हाँ.
But you know, with that driver lineup and with this, I think this is going to be a great team, and I think they have a very good backing, and the intent looks to be really good. So the Cadillac, the livery, it's a good livery, यार. I mean, it's good.
It looks good on track
It looks
also. if you think
good.
about
Yeah, it is like कैसा मालूम है क्या? कभी देखा BMC का रास्ता आधा खत्म किया रहता
Fucking
है.
knew it. Shetty has no middle ground.
मैं
He
वही-
has no middle ground where he's talking
It's
normally. It's
either-
either very serious.
It's either a track
Yeah.
या बाहर
Yeah.
रास्ता.
It's either very serious or just anything.
I love it.
Sorry.
Yeah, you are so much. देखो इतना दिक्कत है मेरे से.
हिल कराया गया है ना.
क्या है?
हिल
तुझे इतना दिक्कत है कैसे है यार?
बोल.
मेरे घर वालों को मेरे से इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं
ये
है.
आज
मैं
मातृपिता
उनको-
दिवस है हाँ? कुछ बोलने का नहीं.
पॉइंट्स दूं?
Yes.
They then.
9 out of 10.
Yeah, even I give this 9 out of 10.
Come
I
on.
really like this.
Five.
This is one of my
Five.
favorite ones.
That's-
After Red Bull. Red Bull is, I think, my
Yeah.
favorite livery
Yeah,
this year. It's very nice.
That's 10.
Yeah, that's a
that's
proper 10.
Minus
Aston
5 out of 10.
अबे
इसको
यार आगे
चुपचाप
वापस.
2 out
अरे
of
हटाओ
10.
हटाओ.
अरे
अबे
wait,
चल बे
wait.
Aston
There's
Martin.
nothing.
But did you all watch the live stream? जब ये लॉन्च हो रहा था.
No.
Oh, when they were going out and all,
yes,
yeah.
they went out thrice.
Thrice.
वो
उन लोगों-
चालू ही नहीं हो रहा था उन लोगों का लाइव स्ट्रीम.
Stream ही बंद हो गया
And
भाई.
the whole chat was so funny. All the time you have to leave stream. All the time you have to leave stream. What was that? There was a really funny joke. It's like stream feels much better now. It's much slower. Something. All the Fernando Alonso
Yeah,
jokes.
हटाओ, minus
It was
5
so
out of
funny.
10.
No. This
Everything
is,
is the same.
It's
Yeah.
the same, man.
I mean, like-
nothing. I really like the color they use in their livery, but I mean,
I
come on,
think
dude.
I don't like that green.
Really?
I don't
I
like
like
find
the
it
Phalo
so
green,
good.
dude.
Yeah, no,
I-
I
it's
also
so
like that.
good.
I
It's
mean,
not a vibe at all.
तुझे तो ग्रीन चाहिए था ना कुछ.
matte green.
अच्छा.
Like a olive
Stare
green.
क्या कर रहा है उसको?
Stare into your soul.
I feel Aston Martin has potential to do a great livery.
Yeah.
They just slap on the green and they are like यही है.
Yeah, it's going to be another Red Bull where they
And
लेगा भी यही
so
है.
many sponsors. बाप रे, everywhere.
Sponsors तो dude अब I
तो
don't.
नया फैक्ट्री बांधा है तो खर्चा तो हुआ है ना भाई.
वही.
एक आराम को कितना खर्चा उठाएगा? हाँ?
वही.
बराबर.
अबे मतलब इतना खर्चा करके अब P10 में रहना ना ये लोग को पीछे
That's
पीछे
true.
तो अब
4 सेकंड दूर.
हाँ 4 सेकंड दूर रहना
कितना
ना.
बिच्ची है यार गोविंद तू. हमें so बिच्ची और
तू क्या बहुत ऐसा ऑप्टिमिस्टिक है कि
very bitchy or become all of a sudden. noticed.
बैंड्रा वाले जैसे बात क्यों कर रहे हैं?
Bandra नहीं होता, Bandro होता. Can you
Bandro.
please?
No, you have to clench. No, you have to clench your teeth.
वांद्रे जैसे की बात कर रहे
वांद्रे
हैं? वांद्रे वालों जैसे की बात कर रहे हैं?
Bandro.
But Aston Martin is like 3 out of 10.
1 out of
said
10.
3.
One.
I said -5. Negative. This.
Negative में
Yeah,
दे
like
दिया.
you don't even rate this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Now,
pass it.
let us not waste our time on this.
Yeah, that's true.
Valvoline.
Whatever.
McLaren, let's go.
So before this, first I want to know what you all thought about the testing livery. The black.
Bro, I literally मैंने इसको
really-
ये बताया and I was like, bro, if this is the actual livery, I'll be very happy because I,
know,
love
dude.
that black.
It was so good. What, you didn't like it?
No,
You didn't like it?
no.
I
because
could see it that you didn't like
इसने
it.
उससे पूछा.
Yeah.
It was a setup.
Yeah.
It was black, and then it was just logo. It was like the website you load, and then you have bad internet, so everything just lists. Nothing was happening.
What are
Just
these?
That's
logo,
true,
logo,
but
pop-ups,
Examples are
ad
so on
pop-ups.
point, dude.
That is true, but I mean,
It
यार,
was ad pop-ups
मुझे
at
तो-
best. So
मुझे तो अच्छा लगा
it
था.
looked- on track, it was looking nice.
Yeah.
Because it was black.
I think the accents also that were there on like the
It
McLaren
was just
thing and
very messy
everything.
because every logos and the accent.
Yeah.
I think Piastri's looked good. Norris's didn't. Just because I don't like Norris. So that's it.
वो season के start
Maybe
में ही
maybe
दुश्मन
I
बना
saw
रहा
the
है.
Norris one.
Yeah.
Season के start में ही दुश्मन
this
बना
also-
दिया.
I have to set a precedent कि नहीं Norris गंदा ही है अभी भी वो बकबक कर ही रहा है अभी
वो
वैसे
तो-
Oh,
What do you
yeah.
guys
What is
know,
he
na?
saying?
वो बकबक कर रहा है वापस चालू हो गया बट आई डू अग्री विद हिम अ लिटिल बट इट्स ओके हाँ
What part do
But you guys know, na?
I
that-
agree sorry I just want to just
Yeah,
get
yeah,
this out of the way
Please go ahead.
sorry
प्लीज तू
I'm
माइक
sorry,
में
I
बात
was born only.
अबे माइक में बात करना
नहीं
पहला
I do agree with Norris about the fact that Max बहुत बोलते रहता है रिटायर करूंगा करना कर ले अब
No,
ये
but-
नहीं वो बहुत सालों से बोल रहा है अब
See.
करना है कर ले दैट पार्ट आई एग्री बट नॉरिस अपना किच आई डोंट लाइक अग्रीइंग
What was the
No,
point
no,
of saying
no,
like
what
you
did he
guys
say
get paid
that?
a
नहीं
little
नहीं
too
वही
much?
all of that I don't agree
And
That's-
no,
that is
because
bullshit.
he said he said he started with saying okay fine I agree fine वो भी बोल रहा है मैं रिटायर करूंगा ये भी बोल रहा है कर ले कोई बात नहीं that's okay right after that he backs it up with ये cars challenging है मतलब क्या मतलब McLaren मतलब मैक्स नहीं चला पाएगा
Yeah,
challenging
no,
मतलब-
all of that I don't agree. I only agree with the fact that Max बहुत बोलता है रिटायर करूँ अब भी रिटायर कर लेना करना है इतना मत
But
करना.
the thing is like even if Max retires from Formula 1 then it won't be the same.
I know, and he knows it, and that's why
Exactly.
he's being annoying.
अरे
He's
no,
just like
he's not being
मेरे को
annoying.
मजा नहीं आ रहा
Annoying तो
है
नहीं हो रहा है
He's
वो.
not
वो हो
being-
रहा है.
he's just
नहीं,
very
You guys are
No.
Super Max fans as an outsider. Okay, I'm saying ये इतना जितना annoying Norris है about everything, Max is annoying about this one thing.
Ah.
That's it.
Fair.
That's all.
But I think,
nothing
like-
else. I like Max.
Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah.
I'm just saying he can't just keep being like अभी कर दो
मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं जा रहा हूँ, हाँ।
अरे मेरे को तो
मैं जा
बिल्कुल
रहा हूँ।
मजा नहीं आ रहा है ये
This is
वो.
the MS Dhoni strategy of things.
Yeah.
कि you just keep saying कि ये
Yeah.
मेरा last, ये मेरा last.
Yeah,
but
nothing
yeah.
else. Norris
No,
said
but
I
when
agree
he's
with.
asked, will you stay or will you retire, is when he answers and says, I'll retire. I might retire. He doesn't just randomly pop up and say, oh, I might retire by the. He
But
doesn't do
in
that.
general, he does keep hinting at
Like
it.
that's a card he can play very well.
Yeah, but he's played it so many times. I've gotten a little annoyed. That's it.
अभी छोड़ रहे हैं ना
So guys, this is how irrelevant McLaren's delivery is. How irrelevant this
Indian Max पे आ गया.
The only thing that
minus
matters is
15
Max
out of 10.
15 out of 10.
Fuck all. मेरे को एक टीम ही पसंद नहीं है.
अच्छा
मेरे को
minus
लोग नहीं
15 out
पसंद
of
है.
10. Okay.
No, but like
Yeah.
apart from McLaren
Without
hate.
biases.
Yeah.
Without
But more of
biases.
black this time.
Huh. It's more of papaya this time.
Yeah, it is more of pop. I mean,
Last
that's because
year there was more.
वो carbon fiber का भी था, I guess.
Is it really though?
Yeah, look at the last one. That
No.
No.
They have more black this time.
No.
Really?
Yeah, it's more of black, yeah.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, this is 2025.
See, इतना ही था और see यहाँ पे उन्होंने डाला है
Oh,
अभी
अच्छा,
papaya, वो
बीच
नहीं था
में।
पहले.
बीच में देखना, बीच में ज्यादा black
See,
है.
yeah.
और अब
All this black, now this is all papaya.
Yeah.
The orange,
यहाँ-
it was not there.
exhaust के उधर there are more.
Yeah.
orange. Side
Oh yeah,
में-
it is more orange.
फिर भी मेरा दिल भाता नहीं है टीम को देख के यार.
McLaren का वही है. If it's not broken, don't fix it.
अगर
They just continue.
मेरा वैसा है ना कि ऑस्कर पियास्ट्री अगर लीड कर रहा है चैंपियनशिप तब मुझे कार पॉजिटिव में दिखाई देगा.
Yeah.
नहीं तो नॉरिस फॉर इज द हटाओ.
But ये साल तो like I mean
I don't think they're gonna be.
yeah, will they give the thing to Piastri and be like जा?
भाई ये टाइम मेरे को लगता ही नहीं है कि दे विल बी इन कंटेंशन ओनली. दे
Yeah,
विल बी
true.
बिहाइंड. दे आर ब्लैक मार्कर टीम.
Even
नहीं,
even
नहीं,
Piastri.
अरे मतलब
team ही
कार
खराब है
only will
तो-
be bad ना.
नहीं यार मेरे को नहीं लगता है। मेरे को नहीं लगता है।
So we are doing a Bahrain testing
It's not Max
separately because we don't have the
Verstappen.
time now.
हाँ.
तो इसलिए मैं बोल नहीं सकता, but McLaren doesn't look that great.
Yeah.
Like
Look, livery wise or like
नहीं,
performance
no, no.
wise?
On track, on track.
Performance wise.
performance wise, reliability wise, see, अगर तुम लोग बोलेगा कि ये जो गाड़ी है, this car oversteers a lot. It's a F2 car. So if you look at the driving style, so this car suits very much. It suits Leclerc. It suits Hamilton. No, not Hamilton. नहीं. Leclerc. It suits Norris.
Max
then
also.
George Russell, Max, Hajar. So guys who like to oversteer a lot, it suits them. तो उनका ड्राइविंग स्टाइल को सूट करता है, बट आई डोंट नो यार. आई मीन इट विल बी टफ. लाइक ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी जाते जाते मेरे को लगता है कि काफी अपग्रेड्स आने वाले हैं बाकी टीम के भी,
Yeah.
एंड दैट वी विल टॉक अबाउट इन द टेस्टिंग एपिसोड.
Yeah.
भाई ये तो Formula E on steroids ही है वैसे भी तो.
See, he's not wrong.
No, all I'm telling you
He's not
again
wrong.
before
But
you
every
fucking
regulation- every
एक second,
regulation-
एक second.
Yeah.
I need to clear myself.
But no,
make myself clear.
थोड़ा ही
before
Max
I'm-
hate चाहिए.
Yeah. I don't agree
Govind
with
is recording
anything
his
else.
apology video now.
No. I don't take that back. Max
No,
Rothlu
fair
तो
enough,
है. But I'm just saying I agree with I'm sure if Max, Lewis, all of these people think these cars are shit, it is shit. And Norris चुतिया to be like नहीं मेरे को अच्छा लगा. ठीक है.
No, Norris also 2 days ago said it's like F2.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Dude,
he
this
said
is the
अच्छा है.
ultimate pick me
हाँ.
goal.
Yeah,
The
he
best-
wants to oppose whatever Max
also
says. और
George-
लोग-
तो
George, yes.
George is a bitch.
George,
George that
right
bitch
and
told
center to
that
Norris.
our car looks very closer to like a Formula 1 car. I'm like, you George, if you don't win championship, मैं चप्पल से मारेगा उसको.
Dude, you know what Alonso said about the car?
Yeah.
Alonso is like, again, same. And what people have to realize is people like Alonso, Hamilton, when they complain, they drove regulations
Exactly,
of cars.
yeah.
So they are
So they
speaking
know.
from that. अभी अगर कल उठ के कोई रुकी बोलेगा this car is not nice, उसने
It's
वही
very
car
robotic बोला ना Alonso ने
हाँ,
बोला it's very
yeah.
robotic.
And
and-
Yeah, the driver's
George-
role is dying.
पेरेस भी बोला ना कुछ I think.
पेरेस ने मेक्सिकन ने बोला, समझ में नहीं आया.
ये रेसिज्म फ्लैग हो जाने वाला है वीडियो.
अरे तो बहुत
अरे हम लोग बहुत कुछ
No. But Alonso said it's so robotic, even a chef can drive it.
Yeah, my kitchen
just out
chef
of
can
the blue.
drive.
He was very unhappy.
Yeah, I'm sure it's which is why I don't agree with Norris on any of, but just the Max retirement part. मैं बस एक सेंटेंस बाकी सब
No.
मैं पढ़ा भी नहीं नॉरिस जो बोला है ये सब चुप रहे साले बट फर्स्ट लाइन आई वाज लाइक ट्रू
You just don't want Max to retire.
No, I don't want him to retire.
I
but
also
he
don't
needs
want him to retire.
stop.
I'll cry.
Yeah, I don't want him to
Same,
retire at
man.
all, but he needs
We're
to
all gonna
stop
cry.
just doing this where he's like, मैं आऊंगा क्या कल मेरे को नहीं पता मैं कल आऊंगा कि नहीं मैं घर चला गया तो
that is ultimate pick me girl.
Yeah, it is. ये मत कर ये लुइस नहीं कर रहा इतना लुइस शुड रिटायर वो इतना नहीं बोल रहा है कि मैं रिटायर करूंगा
Bro, but the thing is like,
Should
अगर
Nick
Max,
will
if
retire.
Max retires, we'll have to learn a new fucking sport altogether. क्योंकि वो endurance में तो जाने वाला है.
Yeah. No, that's okay. Oh,
Yeah.
I think WEC.
See, my only thing is, no. For example, if Alonso like threatens to retire, you know, he's just going to retire
Yeah.
and be chill.
Yeah.
But Max is if he retires, he's 100% doing something else.
म्यूचुअल फंड ये चालू करेगा, LIC एजेंट बनेगा. देखा ऐसा कुछ बोल देने का ना गोविंद बोलेगा कि मैं चाहता हूँ अभी खत्म
मैं
कर
क्या
दे.
बोलूं इसका अभी
अभी क्या देगा वो इंश्योरेंस रेट
रेट
आई वुड अरे
Objectively.
मतलब क्या मतलब वो रेटिंग देने का ही नहीं है ये टीम को.
अरे
मेरे को
दे
टीम
दे.
पसंद ही नहीं है.
विदाउट बायसेस
Without bias.
Without
Zena.
biases, I would give this 2 out of 10.
dude
bias. Completely biased.
I
I don't like this team यार. I don't like.
अरे तो वही तो बोल रहा है bias के बगैर.
विदाउट बायस बहुत कॉफी पी
भाई
लिया
मेरे को टीम नहीं पसंद है. मेरे को कलर भी नहीं पसंद है.
एक सेकंड याद देख
मेरे को पपाया नहीं पसंद है. पहले बात तो पपाया मेरे को फ्रूट पसंद नहीं है. कभी कभी कच्चा रहता है.
अबे
को मजा नहीं आता है.
अबे खिला थोड़ी रहे तेरे को
याद देख विदाउट बायस ठीक है पसंद है या नहीं वो हटा ये लिवरी
Livery.
कैसे लग रहा है इफ यू डिडंट हैव बायसेस
और माइक पे बोल
माइक पे बोल
एक सेकंड.
अरे
बायस हट गया.
हाँ, क्या बात है.
गुड एक्ट आउट
कैसा लग रहा है?
5.5 out of 10.
ओके
ठीक है.
बस ये 5 मिनट वेस्ट किया ना तूने हम लोग का ये
तूने मेरे कितना समय वेस्ट किया मेरे को पता है.
The only thing I'm surprised that they didn't do is the one on Norris's car, I assumed it would be bigger. उन लोग full one ऐसा लगा देंगे कि भाई हमारा
Main
जीत
livery.
क्या है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
कि इधर साइड पे नहीं लगा है ना?
नहीं. They've kept the number.
One इधर
upright.
छाती पे किया है ना. छाती पे one मारा है.
Nice.
But thank you so much for coming here to
Yes,
the pod.
thank
Yeah,
you,
so much,
Hanifa.
our first guest.
क्या
I
बात
hope,
है?
I hope you had a lot of fun and you got a lot of extra information about Formula One.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
Like, yeah,
learned.
that
Yes.
normal people
Yeah,
don't
like
get.
Did you
a lot of background details that I don't know about all the
Yes.
things that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are always giving our take is extra. Like even
Yeah.
Formula One people are like, oh my god,
Yeah,
this is
very
you know-
very new. Like I follow a lot of websites and stuff, but like this, I don't.
None
know
of them mention Chakala.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, only.
Or-
inside news.
Or Anthony Hamilton outside of
Yeah,
DMart.
yeah.
Nobody. No one knows
Yeah.
that. That
Yeah.
secret
But-
is with us.
Okay,
Who's
out
the
of
honors?
just to end it, out of सबका top मतलब सबका
Top
favorite-
livery, bottom
yeah,
livery.
हाँ, top
Favorite
livery,
and least favorite.
least favorite. तू बोल दिया, तेरा हो गया अब तेरे से नहीं
तेरे को
पूछना।
बहुत footage दिया हम लोगों
Starting
ने
from
check
there.
I think Red Bull is the top
Yeah.
and Aston Martin is the bottom.
Same Red Bull only, but just apart from, I think Red Bull though we all like, but I think apart from Red Bull, I really liked Alpine, dude.
Yeah, even I.
Alpine, huh? No. I am going for that Vice City neon
Yeah.
kind of vibe.
Yeah.
Alpine, and I think my least favorite would be Aston Martin only, dude. Like थोड़ा effort डालना चाहिए था उन लोगों को.
Yeah.
Fair. And yours?
Yeah, my favorite is Red Bull only, and I think
Let's go.
Aston is so bad only. But since they didn't do anything, I'll also say
Cadillac.
VCARB.
Oh.
Oh.
Like
And तेरा? मैं मजाक कर रहा था, तू बोल सकता है.
My favorite livery. I mean, it's kind of a predicament, but
Between which?
between
which?
I like Cadillac because I mean it shows a lot of personality and it shows a lot of a team that it's a new team and coming from a place that they have not half-heartedly kind of launched it.
Yeah.
So Cadillac number one and bottom is that fuck all Audi.
McLaren didn't get bottom.
Oh yeah, that's true.
See, McLaren तो ठीक है मतलब उनका मेरा कैसा मालूम है तुम लोगों को लगता रहेगा मैं टीम का इंटेंट देखता है कि क्या विलियम्स के पास पैसा नहीं है
They still put efforts.
इसके वजह से लिवरी है बट कैडिलैक ने जो मेहनत लिया है
बराबर.
उसे तो सराहना पड़ेगा
सहाना
Oh,
नहीं
I only-
सराहना.
सराहना मेरे माँ का नाम क्यों ले रहे हैं मेरे माँ का नाम ले रहे हैं सबके सामने
तेरे माँ का नाम
मातृ
सराहना है?
दिवस.
सहाना है मेरे माँ
Yeah, sorry.
Stop taking her name.
मातृ पितृ दिवस.
Oh, wow.
I only asked this because मेरे को ये बोलना था. My top is Red Bull and ये क्या बोलते हैं Cadillac. Least is Mercedes and Audi. मेरे को Mercedes सबसे गंदा है बोलना था बस.
Dude, honestly, like I think if we can put one more in bottom, Ferrari पे मेरे को इतना कुछ खास
Oh,
नहीं
Ferrari
लगा,
also.
dude.
Yeah. Ferrari is second last for me.
I think there should be good ones and bad ones division, and we should just it's just so many
Wait.
are just bad and so
That's
some are
true.
just
That's
good.
true. But worst तो Audi आता ही है and Mercedes and George.
And
तेरे
George.
best friend है वो.
George is very-
in general. George के सब कपड़े.
जॉर्ज लिवरी के साथ ही खराब है
Nice.
साला जॉर्ज
जॉर्ज का लिवरी कैसे ही रेट करेगा वो आधा टाइम तो शर्टलेस घूमता है वो
कौन घूमता है वो shirtless?
अरे वो हमेशा तो
अभी
शर्टलेस ही
DTS
रहता है
के
डीटीएस
trailer
के
में
इसमें भी वो
भी
शर्टलेस है हर
BTS
जगह
का
देखो
trailer नहीं देखती हूँ मैं.
अरे वो दिख गया मेरे को
I
ऐसे
don't know.
बट
Yeah, time pass
वो
है,
वो
yeah.
अभी कम कर दिया बट जॉर्ज यूज्ड टू जस्ट कीप पोस्टिंग इंस्टाग्राम शर्टलेस
First
पिक्स
straps.
फॉर
First
नो
straps,
रीजन इट बी लाइक टुडे गुड रेस हमने नंगा क्यों है इसमें भाई तू टुडे गुड रेस क्या भाई
सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल गाइस आप लोग सब्सक्राइब क्यों नहीं कर रहे वी आर वेरी क्लोज टू 4000 सब्सक्राइबर्स एंड इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कीजिए डाइवर्स टू सर्वाइव को एंड गाइस हम लोग चाइनीज जीपी लाइव करने वाले हैं उसके टिकट्स के
सुबह
लिंक है
सुबह सुबह एक्चुअली दोपहर
we're gonna have a brunch all right brunch
Brunch.
so please come for the brunch क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया क्या तुझे मैं
कुछ
ब्रंच
नहीं
बोला
हुआ।
था ऐसा मुंह क्यों बना रहा है
मैं कुछ नहीं बोल
मैं
रहा
देख रहा हूँ वाइब तेरा मेरे
अरे complete करना
corner of my eyes I can see you
In
go
the peripheral of his vision.
yeah but
Tickets are there in description. Buy it.
बट गाइज प्लीज अगेन हम लोग बोले कि बहुत पॉजिटिव कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं हम लोग वी आर वन ऑफ द ओनली चैनल्स इन द कंट्री जिसने जब सीजन चल नहीं रहा था फिर भी एपिसोड्स डाले.
That's
हम बेस्ट है.
हाँ, इतना खर्चा हुआ है.
नंबर 1 F1
हाँ,
पॉडकास्ट.
इसने अपने किडनी बेच दिया भाई. और क्या करें हम लोग.
एक माइक के लिए एक माइक मिला वो किडनी में, बस एक एक्स्ट्रा
हाँ
माइक.
बोला द किडनी इज अल्कोहलिक.
एक एक्स्ट्रा माइक.
हर बार गेस्ट बुला रहे एक किडनी का. We can afford only 3 more guests. Please guys.
So thank you for coming. This
Thank
was
you so
very
much.
costly.
Please follow Hanifa on Instagram.
That's very generous of you,
Yes,
Yash.
yes, yes.
Thank you for the
Put the handle
kidney.
if you.
Yes.
Yes.
And we will see you all for the next episode. But till then, Govind Menon, Siddharth Shetty, Vivin Castrino, Yash Barse, thank you so much for watching Drivers to Survive. We will see you all
Bye.
for the next
And
episode.
follow Honey So Better on Instagram.
अरे
Yes.
नहीं
वो
तो हम लोग ने
डालेंगे
डाल
हम नीचे, डाल दिया
दिया
नीचे.
वो इधर ही है. Yeah, it's right here.
अरे
Yeah, yeah,
ऐसा नहीं
yeah. वो
करेंगे.
जैसे ही इंट्रोड्यूस किया वैसे ही डाल दिया हमने. Yeah.
Noise.
हम लोग. No, fair enough. Now all of this is going to be the outro. Like this right now.
Happy Valentine's Day, beta. Happy Valentine's Day. I also love you. Everyone loves you.
Nice.
I forgot it's Valentine's Day
Oh,
today.
it's also
Happy Valentine's
Matra Divas.
Matra
It's
Pitra.
Matra Pitra Divas as well.
That's a
It's-
divas.
Is this like-
it's a-
What is
yeah,
Matra
it's
Pitra
Matra-
like?
Mother Petro Divas is when you go and ask your father for money. Papa, give 2 lakh rupees in my account right now.
Matra Pitra divas.
Is this like Hindi Parents Day?
See, Matra Pitra Divas.
What?
It's 14th Feb, Matra Pitra Divas.
But what is it?
My mother told me. She was like,
What is it? It's pretty self-explanatory. It's Matra Pitra divas.
Parents Worship Day.
yes,
Or-
yeah, Matra Pitra
Makes
Puja
sense, your
Divas.
mom said. Makes sense.
And also you're a Verstappen fan. Are you a Verstappen fan?
Yes.
That explains Matru, because Verstappen celebrates Matru Pitru Divas like anything. Others kids also has taken own kid, father,
He has multiple cats also. Like he's not done.
father
Yes, cats.
beating
He
the
has
F out of
Oh.
you.
There are interviews of him where he's like, "Oh, I can't wait to go home. My cats would have ruined the
14
house."
cats. He's the Taylor Swift of Formula
How
1.
many?
कर रहा है?
What?
13
इधर
cats.
इधर दो
14.
Yeah.
अरे भाई
Max has 13.
Unless I'm wrong.
Oh, I don't know. I didn't know he
इधर
had
दो
these
में ही
many.
गांड लग रहे मेरे यार वो
वही
तेरा
मेरा एक में भाई एक.
अरे वो रखा रहेगा ना, नौकर वगैरह रखा रहेगा. यश
तुम लोग को क्यों लग रहा
रखना
है
एक.
वो स्विगी इंस्टामार्ट से 10 का शिबा का पैकेट.
No, I was wrong. 3 cats.
Okay,
Okay.
Three
one
cats.
more than me.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Like in both of us
Yeah.
cats
अभी तेरा क्या
combined.
बिल्ली का फोटो डालते मेरे बिल्ली का
हाँ,
photo डालते।
वापस.
और अभी
And I
मैक्स का भी
also have
डालते
a cat. I
Oh, you
also
have a
have
cat?
How many?
Very
One.
good.
One.
He
Okay.
also
Then
has a
it's
cat.
Mufasa orange.
then it's more than
This is-
he's the only catless.
This is Vivian's cat.
Oh, wow.
तू मेरा बिल्ली.
What's a cat's name?
हाँ मुझे तो.
This is my cat.
शो अरे मस्त वो मुफासा मस्त
यार
है.
तुम लोग सब लोग का
बड़ा
वॉलपेपर मेरा
awkward लगता है.
मेरा नहीं है.
मेरा वॉलपेपर सिगरेट है.
आता रहता है ना पूरा दिन.
माइनस तो NF का एल्बम का वो.
मेरा वॉलपेपर सिगरेट है भाई. मेरा
Shetty
But
celebrating-
no, wait. But wait, guess what my wallpaper is? Matro Pitro Divas. My father and my mother. I love you, mommy, daddy.
I changed it. I mean I know I have an option for my cat.
अरे we know you love your cat.
नहीं 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 नहीं
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं
मात्र दिवस
ऐसा
में.
नहीं कि माँ बाप का रखे चेंज करके एक बिल्ली का रख रहे हैं, साले.
मैं तेरे को दिखाना इतना परफॉर्मेटिव है तू साले
मैं
कि
वो-
माँ बाप को मैं प्यार करता हूँ दिखाऊंगा.
तेरे को पता
मैं
भी
हूँ
नहीं था,
मैं नहीं करता
क्या
क्या?
दिक्कत नहीं करता तू साले.
ये मैंने करता.
तेरे को पता नहीं था आज मातृ पितृ दिवस है.
मेरे पास मेरे बिल्ली का फोटो नहीं है.
मेरे लिए हर रोज एक मातृ पितृ दिवस है. मैं रोज पैसे मांगता हूँ मेरे माँ बाप
That's
Excuse me,
a
one
Matra
second.
Pitra Divas
Yes,
day.
started something dude. सब झगड़ा करने लग गए यहाँ पर.
मेरे लिए रोज मातृ पितृ दिवस है. रोज मैं पप्पा को बोलता हूँ, पप्पा बड़े पैसे दे दो. He is like, it is okay.
यश तेरे पास तेरे बिल्ली का फोटो
नहीं मेरे पास वीडियोस है.
She creepy.
डिस्गस्टिंग.
creepy साले.
अबे
What a
नहीं
creepy
यार.
eyes.
वैसे
photos of
ये देख
गाइस तो
ऐसे वॉशिंग मशीन जब भी
yeah this is so funny dude. This is just
when
so
I put
funny.
it on dryer they love to sit on it because it jiggles them.
That's so
But
funny.
are these male cats or
No, it's a this one's a female, this one's a male.
nice?
They're gonna
Yeah.
fuck very soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They
करना है.
haven't.
करना है भाई, न्यूटर कराना है.
Sorry, नहीं बोल सकते.
अरे क्यों?
नहीं नहीं this is just nature.
Yeah.
National Geographic is built on this,
It's
dude.
Matra Pitra
I don't know
Divas.
how the fuck
That's-
we came from Red Bull Livery to
Abhi,
Matra
haan
Pitra
bhai,
Divas,
V-Cup.
but we need to get back to
Talking
V-Cup,
about
yeah.
Matra Pitra Divas, here is the sister team.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice. Good one.
That's why I
very,
started
very,
it.
very, very family jokes.
Yes,
It is
good
like a
one.
Bagban.
ए, हो गया ना अच्छा सेगवे था ना हम आगे बढ़ते हैं
क्या जा रहे हो इतना?
उसमें भी आ गया तू क्या
Bagban.